Herbs medicine.
Amazing traditional herbs to treat flu and coughing children.
Traditional herbs to treat flu and coughing children. A. Recognizing flu symptoms in children. Recognizing flu symptoms in children may be needed by parents for initial treatment of the infection. This aims to prevent further complications. Some of the most common childhood flu symptoms most commonly encountered are discussed in the article below. In general, influenza is known as flu. Flu is a form of acute viral infection that affects the respiratory tract. Infections that occur are on the upper respiratory tract, including the nose and throat. Then it becomes spread to the lungs. Children are particularly vulnerable to virus attacks, especially in transition. Influenza viruses are highly contagious and can spread rapidly from one infected child to another. When they spend time together at school, the virus can be transmitted when secretion of fluid is released into the air when coughing or sneezing is inhaled by uninfected children. In addition, this virus can also be transmitted through the sharing of devices such as toys that are contaminated by the flu virus. B. Signs of flu in children. Symptoms of flu in children have many similarities with flu symptoms in general. Here are the signs and symptoms of flu in children. High fever is one of the symptoms of flu that can be observed in young children. The rise in body temperature is actually an indication that the body is trying to fight the infecting virus. Body temperature may vary and tend to rise and fall over time. When the heat is high, your child may be blushing, and when he goes down he will shiver. If you have a baby less than 6 months old, you should rush to the doctor if the temperature is too hot. As soon as the fever stretches, the children begin to complain of pain in various parts of the body. The muscles of the legs, arms, and thighs often feel scratchy. When the fever is high, they will feel pain all over the body. Often the fever is followed by a sore throat. The throat area becomes red, which you can see if you open your child's mouth. Itching is also felt in the throat, and this condition is the most disturbing for children. Their voices become hoarse and feel pain in the throat as they try to talk and swallow food. Itching in the throat often leads to coughing. The difference between a cough caused by a cold virus and a flu virus is in the production of mucus. Cough caused by flu virus does not produce mucus. Even if there is a mucus, then the number is very small. Young children often experience gastrointestinal symptoms such as nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, and abdominal pain along with the flu. Flu symptoms are found only in children only, unlike adults. This condition causes a lack of appetite, and children often refuse to eat. There may also be dehydration due to excessive fluid loss. C. Traditional recipe for child flu. 1. Ginger. Children's flu medicines are often used today as a mixture of canker and ginger. This canker contains ingredients that can relieve the flu gradually and useful relief throat. So also with the benefits of ginger. Sometimes as a parent feels unwilling to see his son had the flu and suffered unbearable pain. If using medical drugs, it can also but many impacts that will occur, such as side effects. Therefore, it is necessary to use traditional materials that can relieve flu. How to use a mixture of both materials: just take the juice alone. Take 1 rhizome canker and 1 ginger rhizome, then grate it and take the filter results. After that, direct drink to the child who was sick flu. This traditional childhood flu drug can help the healing and metabolism get even better. In fact, the day when it is taken will prevent the child from nasal congestion problems. Do it for a day, twice to several days until the flu is completely healed. Make warm ginger water for a child who is coughing. The easy way: boil ginger with water and add sugar to give a sweet taste. Ginger warm water can relieve dry cough or cough with phlegm. The warm feeling of ginger water will help the healing process naturally in children who cough. This traditional herb you can give 1 to 2 times a day when the child is sick. 2. Garlic. Garlic is one of the traditional ingredients that are believed to cure the flu by chewing it. The content of alliins and allicin in garlic is able to fight the virus that causes the flu. For a child, you can make chicken soup with the garlic slices. Give a piece of garlic to be eaten by the child. 3. Onion red. When the child has a fever or cough, you can give a grated onion and smear it all over the child's back while keeping it slowly. Onion will release the gas and can warm the child's body. You can also smear the onion balm that has been mixed with eucalyptus oil on the neck and back of the child to provide a sense of warmth and relief of the throat. 4. Lime. Sour lemon is safe to give as a traditional herb to children suffering from cough with phlegm. 1 teaspoon of lime juice is added with honey, then stir in warm water. We recommend a feeling of lime given after the child ate 2 to 3 times with a 1:1, 2 teaspoon. 5. Honey. Honey is good for health. Honey can also treat flu and cough in children. The trick is easy. The mother can give a teaspoon of honey before the child sleeps. Honey can help children sleep more soundly and speed up the healing process of cough. But remember, honey is not recommended to be given to babies under 1 year of age. Well, now try to check whether the kitchen already available a traditional herb that can help the healing process of cough or flu child small.